Hey guys, this is our second lesson, and for those who don't know already, I'm going to go over the highlighted questions with you guys, and then you guys are going to pause the video to work on the rest of the questions, and then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys the answer key, so then you guys can check your work, okay? So let's start with the first page, even and odd. So it says, what digit do even numbers end with? Well, if you guys said 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0, then that's correct. Okay, then how about odd numbers? Well, odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Okay? So number 1, 77. Well, it ends with 7, meaning it's an odd number, right? And then number 6 also ends in 7, so it's again an odd number. And then number 11, 897. Oh, again 7. Again odd number. And then last but not least, number 16, 5,110. Okay, so this time it ends in 0, meaning it is an even number. Okay, so here, go ahead and pause the video and work on the rest of the questions. And then we'll move on to naming numbers. So it says you can name any number in different ways. Write 2 other names for each number. Okay, so our first number is 32, okay? So let's use these 2 methods. These 2 examples to name 32. So we could write 32 as 30 plus 2, right? And we could also write it as 15 plus 15 plus 2. Okay, next example is 478. Well, let's use this one and then this one. Okay, so 478 could be written as 400 plus 70 plus 8. Okay, and then it could also be written as 480 minus 2, right? Because it equals 478. Okay, so again, pause the video to work on the rest of the questions, and then let's move on to completing the table. Okay, so we have to complete the blanks by adding 189. Okay, so we do 382 plus 382 plus 189. Okay, hopefully you guys are okay with addition. So that's 11, 17, or 71. Oh, I mean 571. Not 4. That's a 5. Okay. Okay, next blank. Well, we don't know. So this blank plus 189 equals 1093, right? So then to find this blank, what should we do? Well, we should subtract, right? So then we have to do 1093 minus 189 in order to find out what that blank is. So let's do subtraction. 8, 4, that's 0, and then that's 9. So 904. 104. Okay, so third blank. Well, let's first find the sum of these two. So 943 plus 89. That's 12. That's 13. So the sum of these two numbers are 1032, right? So then now that we have the sum, we gotta add 189 to it. Plus 189. So let's do it. That's 11. That's 12. 2, 1. So 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay, let's clean it up. And then lastly, last blank. Again, let's find the sum of these two first. So 9,034 minus 8,217. Okay. That's 7. That's 1. Then 8. Right? And then, so now that we have the sum, 817, we gotta add 189 to it. So then it becomes 10. It becomes 1006. Okay, so let's write 1006 here. 1006. Okay, there I'll clean up the mess. So then you guys could pause it and work on the rest of the page. Okay, so let's now move on to place values. It says you can write a number in 3 ways: standard form, expanded form, and word form. So number 1 says write in standard form. Okay, so to write in standard form, it's this. And then number 4 says to write in expanded form. So it's gonna be the opposite of standard form, right? So 7,000 plus 900 plus 30 plus 4, right? Okay, lastly it says write in word form. Okay, so word form, I'm gonna type. So it says 5,847. 847. Okay. There we have it. For number 9. So again, pause the video, finish it, and then let's move on. Last page, angles. So it says write whether the angle is right angle, okay, an obtuse angle, or an acute angle. Okay, well, let's review. Let's first review what those angles are. So this is a right angle, where the degree equals to 90, okay? And then this is an obtuse angle, where the degree is greater than 90, okay? And lastly, this is an acute angle, where its degree is less than 90 degrees. Okay, so then now we know our angles. Let's solve some question. So what angle is this? well, it has, the angles are all equal to each other. So it is a right angle, right? Because it equals to 90 degrees. Okay. How about number 3? Well, it's asking for this angle over here, which seems to be less than 90 degrees, right? Because if it was 90 degrees, then it should have been this, right? But it's less than 90 degrees. So less than 90 degrees is an acute angle. Okay. So last example, number 4. How about this? Well, is it larger or smaller than 90 degrees? It's smaller. I mean, it's larger, right? Because if it was 90 degrees, it should have been here. It should have been like that, but it's not. It's larger. So what is it? It's an obtuse angle. Right? Because it's larger than 90 degrees. Okay? Hopefully that made sense. So work on number 2 and number 5 to finish the worksheet. And then here is the answer key to check your work. Okay? So hopefully this wasn't too hard. And see you guys next week. Bye.